Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your PowerBuds Pro. And before we're starting, I want to show you that I customized a gesture, so I changed all of them, and I think it's much better than what it have by default. Now, let's test it. So, if you press 2 times on your, the touch area is located right here, so I'm just put it to my ear and I will show it to you. If you press 2 times on your right earbud, you will play next track, 1, 2. Okay, it doesn't work, so again, 1, 2. Yeah, now it worked. And if you wanna play previous track, press 2 times on your left earbud, 1, 2. Okay, it have some bug, I guess. Yeah, and it also work. Also, we have a triple press. So if you triple press on your left earbud, on your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. And as you can see, I just pause the song, and I press again, and I play the song. And the last one what we have is to call voice assistant. So you should press 3 times on your left earbud. And as you can see, voice assistant is awake, so it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!